That was in the Welsh driving, and that has to be
gyd, a chroeso cynnes yn ôl ato ni ar brynhawn ddydd Mercher. Wedi cael hoifach ar ôl bore cynhyrfus iawn a dechrau'r prynhawn. Ac i ni nôl ac yn barod am fwy. Mi gweithni man y gwmni gyda fi y prynhawn yma. Falch iawn o groesawu David Oliver a Owen Griffiths yn ôl i'r brwch sylwebu yma yn y brif eisteddle croeso nôl. Ac mae yna dipyn o brynhawn o'n blaenau ni, ond newn ni'n sôn am y comiau eto, achos mae'r cerbydau arbennig yma o blaenau. Achos i ni wedi cyrraedd pencampwriaeth gyrru sioe Frenhinol Cymru.
Ni fan hyn ydy bencampwr pob adran yn ystyriaethau gyrru. Wedi Senni Kendall oedd y bencampwr gyrru Cymraeg.
Didn't get a van, you had one of these delivering food and produce around the place. Now the judge, Mrs. Janice Clough of South Yorkshire, has run many times in the Royal Welsh, and she's certainly an excellent judge and knows exactly what has to be done. She's a past winner, and what she's asked to do is, she's asked each one, or will ask each one, to go round and give a little show to her. And I'm sure you'll give the appreciation to each of these animals as they come down. So I do like to show you. Dyma'r un cyntaf i bo, a hwn oedd wedi dod trwyddo'r adran gyrru Cymreig. So wedi ennill yn erbyn 4 dosbarth arall, a wedi dod trwyddo prynhawn. Llawer o geffylau yn yr adrannau yna, so dyma'r gorau o'r goreuon y gyrru Cymreig. A dyma un o'r geffylau yn yr adran Ffia yn yr adrannau Cymreig. A fel chi weld, mae'n tynnu yn gael siowanan. Wedi'r hyn, dim llawer o gyfrwy ar y cyffin, y pwrpas yn hynny yw dangos sut mae'r ceffyl yn gweithio gan ymgylchiadau eraill. Os ydych chi'n ceffyl Gymraeg gyda chi, chi'n ei 3 beth yn gweithio ar y wenin, chi'n gallu marchogaethau, neu chi'n gwythgerwyr. In the Welsh section, you do 3 things with your horses. You can lead it in the show, you can ride in the show, and you can drive in the show. And if you've got a horse or a pony that does those 3 things, it's worth a fortune. Now the second exhibit has come through, came through the private driving today. Excellent classes down in the horse ring. This was the champion. Started off in class 254. Now the rule is really here. This is a gig driven by a Welsh horse. Now these are very, very popular in history in the Northern Victoria. In you want to show off now, what do you do? Buy a car, perhaps electric one, or perhaps a sports one. These are the sports cars of the Edwardian period. You can hire this outfit. If you're at the London for the weekend, you might go to Hertz or somebody else and hire a car now. You could hire this outfit in London for a considerable sum of money and enjoy yourselves over the weekend. This is the sports car of that period. Now if you're wondering how an animal holds the weight behind, you see around its neck in most cases it has a collar, traditionally made from leather, stuffed with straw with metal rings. From that then straps will lead down to the vehicle and pull the vehicle. Now in the striding exhibit, they haven't got a heavy collar, they have a strap attached also to the shafts. Now we are actually on the exhibit that came through the light trade, came through section 259. Excellent turnout of light trade, and you can see the quality of this product. Nowadays, as I said earlier, you're online tonight, you get a delivery tomorrow with a white van, possibly from Port Albert. In the day of the showroom in Edwardian, you must probably send somebody down to the shop, and the shop then will deliver this to you. If you look at the back of that vehicle, which is called a costermonger, you can find that these horses and outfits were out for quite a long time during the day. How do we know? There's a food car and there's a water truck hanging from the back. So normally when milk and meat is delivered, it goes out quickly and back quickly. The produce that will be delivered by this is going to be vegetables, coal, wood, a whole range of things. Most probably the delivery out for a long period of time. Now the name of someone driving a horse is known as a whip, and you can see it's still carrying a whip, which is traditionally made from horn. And the driver commands the horse in ways. One with a soft voice, one with soft hands, and the third then is the extension of the arms with the whip. You can see he shows the direction to the other road user, which way he's going, what he's doing. Some of these turnouts would have been out for 6-7 hours delivering, so you have to have a genuine pony horse who listen quite often to voice commands. There are stories of milkmen delivering down the street, and the only way the horse would move on was through voice commands, and the milkman would come back and forth to pick up the milk from the vehicle while the horse walked slowly down. They would go out in this day and age where they have to safety, but there was a huge activity on the horse and the work available. So a little bit of information about the exhibits you've seen. We have the judge, but this Janis clock is the judge, but everyone around the ring is a judge also. Which one will deserve the Royal Welsh 2026 Driving Championship? Prynh sy'n unig yn gwneud y pencampwriaeth gyrru sioe dynunol Cymru 2026. Or chi'n gwneud eich meddwl lan? Have you made your decision? It'll be decision time before long. There we are, three totally different vehicles and turnouts, but just shows you the strength and what's available in the British diving world. These are the best of the best, best in Britain at the time. Dyma'r gorau yn dan hyn o bryd, yn y ddiolchgar bod nhw'n dod I Cynelwedd yn y flwyddyn yma yn helpu ni. Roedd cystadlu'n ddrwg dros ben o safon uchel. The competition was tight with very high standards. And in fact, Mrs. Janis has seen every animal in these sections, so she's picked the 3 best out of all the competitions. She now has to decide which is the best of the best. 3 sefyllfa arbennig, oedd I chi penderfynu cael. Well, we have the decision, and the judge has decided that the Royal Welsh 2026 Driving Champion, Arbeniad y penderfynu a pencorniaeth gyrreisioedd yn unol Cymru 2026, yn mynd I 2-0-3-7. It goes to 2-3-2037, John Randall with Anfield the cheerleader. And we're also grateful to Archie Edwards, who's the ring guard. And Archie actually blows the horn, and he is instructed by the steward and the judge what to do, and he changes the rein of the horses by blowing the horn. Now within and Riley, the second place goes to the private driving class 254, and it's 2019. Janis Amisella with Patrol All Gold, and it's a Brewster gate. Now, as we go round, give him a huge round of applause. This is the Royal Welsh 2026 Driving Champion. Followed by the third. Followed by third place, exceptionally high standards in all classes. When he comes round the big ring now, let's hear it for the Royal Welsh 2026 Driving Champion. The Gylch Room and Penmoriel Gyrreisioedd yn unol Cymru 2026. It's the Light Train Exhibit 2037, John Randall, Anfield cheerleader. And second place, we've got Johnny Captain with Patrol All Gold. And in third place, we have 2014 GMTV Radio Amateur Semi-Combo. There we are, we're grateful for an exceptional standard. Janis Clough for your work, Archie for your work, and all the stewards as well. As he comes round for the last time, come on, let's get a big cheer for the Royal Welsh Driving Champion for 2026. The Pencampwr Gyrreisioedd yn unol Cymru 2026. Wnewch y sŵn fel bod eich camu mas. Make a sound for him to stretch up. Nawn ni fel bod y pencampwr yn allan. Bydd y gyrru nes mlaen, bydd y concost i eligons gyda ni tua 5 o gloch iddo. So, os dim ond fel ragor y gyffredwch nes mlaen. Nawr, fod i Peter yn y trwr, ti'n mynd o'i chi ystod y prawf.
Thank you very much to Alan. We'll have him back once more this afternoon, as he said, going to take us through the concourse.
Well, John Randall, you have just made that absolutely jam-packed grandstand go crazy. Can you put that into words?
I don't really know what to say. It's the first year for this mare. Every time we've been out with one with her, she's just unbelievable.
And how much work goes into breaking them to be able to pull this magnificent carriage?
It's a lot of work, a lot of exercise to get her strong, fit enough to drag it. It's very heavy, this.
Not heavy with you on top as well, though, but I bet today it feels a lot lighter as you're pinging around this huge grandstand with that amazing cheer.
It is, it's amazing. It's amazing to see all these people here. It's just something else, the atmosphere.
Well, you've got the Supreme Championship to come back for tomorrow. Many congratulations and enjoy being up there on Cloud 9.
Thank you very much.
and the highlight of the afternoon or the day, the wonderful Welsh cobs.
Yes, it's the highlight of the show for many people. I'm Geraint Davies from the Reed D stud.
And Geraint is a breeder Section D's. I'm Leslie Hillard from the Prynh stud. I breed Section D's, or I did, before I got too old. What a spectacle. I can't say I envy them running in this heat today, can you?
It's not going to be easy for them, is it?
No.
Handlers and horses.
Oh, the atmosphere there, you can feel it. We're in a little hut, but you can feel it coming through, can't you, guys? Yes. Look at that, the bank, wonderful.
Simon looking very relaxed with Ali. I'm sure he's been looking forward to judging this class.
I should hope so, yes. And people come from all over the world to see these cobs, don't they? Well, I come to the show, but I think basically for a Wednesday afternoon. I've already met some people from Australia. These beautiful Welsh ponies and cobs, these beautiful Welsh ponies and cobs really get under people's skin. Once they've seen them once, they want to see more, more, more. These are the senior Welsh cobs, 8-year-old and over.
It's a long ring now because it's only the cobs in there, so they've got the run of the place. So the handlers have got to be really fit to go all the way in front of the stand.
I don't think I'd want to be running one in this weather, do you, in this heat? Take my hat off to them. We haven't seen them all yet. You'll have to ask it. Oh, you'll have to ask this gentleman. It's a top man.
I remember a couple of years ago we asked a true favourite and I had a guy that said that one and he won. So,
oh, there we go.
Did he have expert knowledge or did he have prior knowledge?
Can never tell, can you? So.
The judge is having a good look at them walking around. It's Thomas Jones. Winning Abergavenny Flash Harry, son of Gwenbryce Gylch and Abergavenny by Countess. Owned by Carla Gardner. He won Cardigan Valley Saturday last year. Buxwood Masterclass, Dean Prater's horse, been shown by Simon Charlworth, a son of Rincula Martino and Mitchell Troy Lively Maid. This is Bryn Jones. Showing 4 ways Prince by Llanel Prince of Wales. John Townsend running Cascob Delwyn. Cascob Delwyn, Royal Welsh Male Champion in 2018. Guy George running T. Haim Brennan by Horeb Tomboy. Guy George is an excellent supporter of local shows. Arwyn Jones is Glambornwy Black Thunder. He's shown by John Bennett. First in the Gylch Champion Lampard and first in Champion Midland Counties this year.
Certainly a crowd pleaser.
Dean Smith, the Trevelyan Roy Rogers, son of Trevelyan Nooch and Trevelyan Rosanna. Roy Rogers has been champion in Lampard Stallion Show. And of course, the Smith family have won the Prince of Wales here on 3 occasions. That's Asgard Flash of Gold by Hilgarth Top Dollar. Out of Hilgarth All Gold. And Hara George showing T-Hain Tomboy by Horeb Tomboy of T-Hain Diana. Again, a great supporter of the local shows. (1-1-5-2). Myrion Evans is Gwynfaes Lle Llaw Cyffes by Gwynfaes Gylch out of Gwynfaes Branwen. The Gwynfaes Stallions over the years have done remarkably well in the Royal Welsh. Lem 6-3, William Howardson, Sangrig, Samayam, shown by Thomas Howardson, the son of Pentrevale and Jake. (1-1-5-1). Gwenllan Berwyn Sean by Gwenllan Sean David into Gwenllan Byddeg. Shown by Claire Davis. (11-5-4). That was Danwy Rossi, owned by Harry Ferrier. Faye Harris with Tardabig Del Boy. I thought he said the 2 minute. Tasilio Nido Lad. By Glan Bernal Welsh Flyer out of Tasilio Nesta. Shown by Gethin Williams. Eric Dykes. Showing Tudor Sir Percy for James Cleland from Ireland. James Cleland's Bywdo Big Jim by Sam Fried Bon Heddor. Eleven 5-3, Harry Ferrier, Trevelyan Travis. By Gwenllan Brynmore for the lovely mare, Trevelyan Ronda. Roderick Rees is Rosin Coch, the hitman. By Trev Forrest, Marble Mai out of Horeb Megan. And shown by Declan Davis, who's had an excellent Roy Welsh, both with the coloured horse and with the Welsh Cob 2-year-old filly.
It's lovely to see the grandstand so full, and of course our Royal Welsh famous band. And it seems that the show's come to a bit of
a study in concentration.
This famous craft. The Stallions have had their first individual run for Royal Gylch and Simon Griffin, so we walk and shot. And maybe for those of you who are just joining us and haven't seen some of the footage this morning or even yesterday, and the horses, stallions will now go around so that the judge can have a better look.
Sorry?
Is that Chloe?
I wouldn't know. I don't think I know Chloe. The judge, Mr. Soundingly from the Lanark State, giving them a good look over as they're going around before he pulls them in. It's a strong class.
In time, the judge will start picking out the lineup.
He's having a good look before pulling them in.
24 in this class. We have 34 entered, but 20 is still a good number to have in the ring in front of you if you're the judge.
Arwyn Jones is Glambernoy Black Thunder on top. Buxwood Masterclass in second. In third, Gwentlan Berwyn Sean. Fourth, Trevelyan Roy Rogers. Fifth, Gwynfaes Llai Llaw Gyfes. produced by John Bennett for Arwyn Jones of the firm Font Robert. The Bennett family years ago were male champion here with Malno Forest King.
Great day then. I don't know about you, Geraint, but I got to live on memories now. I couldn't run round that field anymore. Of course, this Royal Welsh has been watched globally by people all around the world, or horse mad. I had a message from somebody down under who used to show regularly at the Royal Welsh, Robert Cochrane. He was riding ponies, and he's watching. So, hello, Robert, from Wales.
He's gone really well for John Bennett. Buxwood Masterclass. Second the Royal Welsh in 2024 and reserve champion in Lampeter in the same year. Shown by Simon Charlesworth, who shows all sections of the stud book.
Yes, very good producer. Has had good grounding from his father and Jerome Hanforth when he was younger.
Dean Prater was given the Buxwood prefix on the passing of Dennis Fushby. We saw Simon Charlesworth showing in the beering earlier.
Mm-hmm.
Claire Davis of Gwentland, Berwyn Sean. So many fine cobs have been bred by Tyvion Davis in Blind Gwentland. The Gwentland bloodlines are much sought after. Dean Smith with Trevally and Roy Rogers. Champion in Lampeter Stallion Show in 2023. Son of Trevally and Hooch. Won the Royal Welsh as a yearling. He's also won the Welsh Pony and Cob Society sire ratings. Gwynvoice Llai Llaw Gyffes, 8-year-old.
I was going to read that one out, and then I looked at the second part of the name.
Sire Gwynvoice Gylch dominated the sire ratings for many years. Anghara George with Tihan Tomboy. Tihan breeding with the Prince won the Prince of Wales Cup in 1963 with T. Hen Mackley and 1969 with T. Hen Comet. Hara George and her father Di George often compete against each other with their stallions.
It's a family affair, isn't it?
Yes. James Cleland with the Budo Big Jim over from Northern Ireland. They're good supporters of the Royal Welsh Show. Robert Davis is the Cilio Hey Nido lad. Robert owned Wentlandeo. It's the first show season for this horse. He was second in the Novice Stallion in Glenelg and first in Champion Cheshire County this year. Ethan Williams having had a very successful show, winning the junior stallion class in the Mountain Ponies. John Haywood, four-ways Prince. Consistent winner. He's been third at the Royal Welsh on 3 occasions. Prynh has been busy today. He's shown quite a few horses, and same yesterday.
Fit young man then.
He must be.
Yeah.
I think you and I would struggle to walk around the ring, Leslie.
Sorry? Oh.
See him Prynh, 15 years old now. Cask of Delwyn, 10 years old. John Townsend bought in the bill of sales off his breeder, Philip Owen, Cask of Stud. Asgard Flash of Gold, shown by Chloe Jones. Hilgarth Breeding, owned by Aina Barnwell. Abergavenny Flash Harry, trophy of Carla Gardner, shown by Thomas Jones. Simon has a chat with every exhibitor. It's nice to see that. That's Abergavenny Flash Jack, isn't it? Last pony to go. We now have
Roderick Rees is Rosin Koch the Hitman. Out of Forest Mabo Mai, the Horeb Megan. Shown by Declan Davis. I think it was 1993 when Roderick Rees took the Prince of Wales Cup with Horeb Iros. Five to go. James McClellan's Theodore Sir Percy. Rose Hall Lord Norman.
I'm letting you do all the talking because you know all these people.
Yeah, Rick is a fine showman like his father Jimmy before him.
All right.
Number one in the semi-final of the Open All Nations.
Elimination process and qualified, and heat number one here, we have some very familiar names on here, and some travel gentlemen, as you can see. And Bevan from Wales, Jack Regan from New Zealand, Ian Jones from Wales, Alice Daniel from Wales, Matthew Smith from England, and Alan Boyd.
Well, whatever that handler's on, I wouldn't mind a teaspoonful of it.
Chevalier Travis.
12.
Like Gwentland Brynmore, Chevalier and Ronda. He's once owned by John Batt of the Abergrenny stud. Shown by Michael Bliss. Blow Barfoot, 10 Lang Grieg Desert Storm. Sired by Thorny Side, the Governor, or Penlan Grieg Del Rosa. San Grieg Samayam. Consistent winner in North Wales. He was second in Royal Welsh last year and he's second in Glanus this year. $11.54, down away Rossi. Trophy of Harry Ferrier, handler Zach Kennedy. It's by down away Flashjack, previous winner of the Prince of Wales. But the Darnley Magdalene has shown so many nice offspring for the Darnley stud.
Felly gobeithio, byddwch chi'n gweld bod bob march yn y prif yn dod allan yn unigol. You will see that all stallions now have an opportunity to do their individual shows.
Simon's taking another look at them before reaching his final judgment. John must have butterflies in his stomach now because hoping that he will stay on top.
Oh, this is it. Yes, it's very nerve-wracking, isn't it? There's any way you can go. I think he might be going to leave them. Oh no. Maybe not. That's Declan Davis, isn't it, coming up there?
Yeah. But also in quarter, Hickman's gone up a few places.
We can see some changes.
Ascot Del Boy's gone up.
And look, come down the line, making his final decision.
Always Prince has come up to fourth. Happy looking John Bennett.
Yes, thank you, say.
The horse is going very well with him. It's been a tremendous show for Arwen. Took young stock champion yesterday in the section A's, winning the senior stallion.
Property of Arwen Jones yn Pen Pont Roberts. Felly llofgwchiadau gwresol I chi Glanwyrnwy Black Thunder, winning class 95 here on the Cobb afternoon at the Royal Welsh Show. In second place, we have exhibit number 1170. Dean Prater with Buxwood Masterclass. Third prize this afternoon goes to exhibit number 1151. Claire and Luke Davidson Powell with Gwenthan Berlin Shaw. Fourth prize this afternoon goes to exhibit number 1161. John Haywood with Four Ways Prince. Fifth prize is awarded to exhibit number 1174. Nelson and Dean Smith with Trevelyan Roy Rogers. And sixth prize this afternoon is awarded to exhibit number 1152. DM and EG and C Evans with Gwynfaith Lleu Gyffes. Felly, llongyfarchiadau mawr iawn I chi. Many congratulations to you all. And the winner of the senior stallion class is Glanwyrnwy Black Thunder, property of Mr. Arwen Jones. Dyn ni hefyd yn gwerthfawrogi ac yn diolch yn fawr iawn I gwmni Insurance Greenlands am noddi. Mae Mr Roland Williams yn y Prif yn cyflwyno y gwobrau. Felly diolch yn fawr iawn I chi, Mr Roland Williams o gwmni Insurance Greenlands. Thank you to our sponsors. Greenland Insurance Services.
Oh, winner there. I'm going to have a go at pronouncing this prefix, which is Glan
Vernwy Black Thunder.
Oh, I can do the Black Thunder. Oh. It was the prefix I wanted to pronounce correctly. I think I did okay on it. And in second place is Buxwood Masterclass.
Put your hands together, show your appreciation on this very warm afternoon here in the neighbouring Gylch gwerthfawrogiad gofynna. Dwi ddim byd pawb redeg drwy'r Prif Gylch yn y dweud.
Wonderful that cheer from the crowd, isn't it?
Appreciate the work of our handlers, taking these stallions through the class.
Seems to be a popular winner.
Live with you forever, that, isn't it, that cheer?
Yes. You go back, you know, for the male championship against the winner of the junior stallion.
Oh, wonderful. Somebody proud of her boy.
Susie Bennett, very emotional there. Shows what it means to win.
Oh, yes. Well, this is it. I've got to be honest, it's a pinnacle of your showing career. If you're Welsh and you've got Welsh ponies, you can't beat it, can you? Oh, bless her.
model, nes ti ennill, do fyd, ni wedi cael gyfaliad, do, a nawr ti'n ennill y neir hun. Dawn, you said to me earlier you were still shaking.
Still shaking, absolutely over the moon, and I'm so grateful to the Bennett family for all their hard work, and for Arwen for trusting me when I said, please just trust me and let me do as I want to do with your ponies and cobs.
The women really always do know best, don't they?
Couldn't have done it without Dawn.
O, na lyflu. Fi'n siŵr gallu ti wedi. Fi'n gallu gweld bod ti dan deilad. Llongyfarchiadau mawr yn chi. John, you've just run about 3 times around the size of a football pitch. How are you feeling?
Oh, I'm absolutely over the moon. This training I've done with him is unbelievable. And I'm just
We have
I can see it's such an emotional day. It's such an accolade to win. You've got the male championship.
Very,
You've got
very
Stallion
happy to
championship, I
produce it
believe.
by the looks of
I'm
it.
not going to keep you too much longer. I know you want to keep him and you fresh. All I can say is llongyfarchiadau enfawr I chi a phob lwc.
Everyone has their day here at the Royal Welsh, I think. You wait. It always comes to you.
Next, we will have the championship between the 2 stallions, and we welcome back the young stallion from earlier this afternoon, and the venue justice with the Banks family. And this is special 96. On page 209 of your catalogues, this is the Derek Jones of Ammanford Memorial Trophy and the Royal Welsh Special Rosette for the Best Stallion, kindly given by Mr. D. L. Jones.
We'll judge the best stallion and the male champion next. And whoever successful will go in for the Prince of Wales Cup.
Abergavenny Justice takes the male champion.
Decision for special 96.
No.
Oh, hang on, swap them.
There's a bit of confusion here.
Yes.
Oh. So, male champions Glanvernwy Black Thunder. The Abergavenny Justice reserve male champion. But I think they still got pulled out the wrong one.
Oh, what a shock for the one now in reserve.
Yes.
Awarded to exhibit number 166. Glanvernwy Black Thunder. Many congratulations to Alan Jones and family winning the best stallion. And Ennill, the pencampwriaeth y Meirch.
That's Mr. Arwyn Jones. And Geraint, pronounce the prefix, please.
Glanvernwy Black Thunder.
Well done, that man.
And the reserve champion stallion goes to exhibit number 1130. Abergavenny Justice, property of the Bat family. And we shall look at the hefyd. Spending the rest of this proposal, show your appreciation for Pastor Grandson and cheer them on.
Certainly putting on a show, isn't he?
Yes, he is. I did think when he walked away, he sort of said to himself, I've had enough, but proved me wrong.
Glanvernwy Black Thunder.
Be some celebrations tonight then for the owner.
Yes,
Would
he's got
imagine,
plenty to celebrate. He's had 2 gold medals.
Oh, wow.
He's had the gold medal in the D's and the A's.
Oh, wonderful.
I doubt if many have done that in the Royal Welsh in
No,
the same year.
no.
Take gold medal, the A and the D.
And due to no calls coming forward, I do believe that the male championship at special 97 it also awarded to Glanvernwy Black Thunder. With the reserve male going to exhibition number 1130. Abergavenny Justice, property of the Bass family from Abergavenny. Llofnodiadau mawr iawn i chi.
Arwyn looking very happy there.
Symud ymlaen, felly byddwn ni nawr ar gyfer cwpan siŵr tywysgol Cymru. We move on to the George Prince of Wales Cup and the judging of Special 98.
The 4 candidates for the George Prince of Wales Cup are in the ring.
Falle fi rhai ohonoch yn ymwybodol bod cwpan sio'r tywysog Cymru erbyn eleni nawr yn cael ei chyflwyno am y canfer tro. The famous George Prince of Wales Cup is presented today for the 100th time. Firstly awarded in 1908. And for those of you good at maths, you will have worked out that from 1908, obviously there was no show or during the World Wars.
Adrian Bowie running his mare, Glyn Copperseer in front of the grandstand.
Yes, doing a good job considering he's a wounded soldier with his hand. Yeah.
It would be more difficult for him if he had hurt the right hand.
Yes, most definitely. He severed the tendon, I believe.
Yes.
Mm.
He's given a tremendous show there.
Is that... No.
It's a good running horse. Both the mare and stallion have gone tremendously in front of the grandstand.
They have, yes. Oxygen, please.
Nice she's giving a very nice show, isn't she?
Yes, I was just thinking, wouldn't it be nice if we went to West Wales? Look at that.
Declan manages to get a tune out of everything he shows.
Mm. Well done, Adrian.
Adrian Bowen.
Oh, well
Bryn
done.
Cappacia. On the reserve, the 2-year-old filly.
I think I'm right in saying both champion and reserve have gone to West Wales.
Many congratulations to Adrian and his family.
Aberlogan Reba in reserve spot.
And in reserve, we have our young stock champion, Aberlogan Reba. Property of Byron Preston. Many congratulations to you also.
So the coveted Prince of Wales Cups was to West Wales.
Yes, there we go.
Female champion.
I'm sure Simons enjoyed his 2 days.
Yeah.
He's had some beautiful animals under him. I must be pleased with the champion on his own.
Young stock champion from yesterday, who went reserve female. Takes the reserve George.
Some very famous names on that trophy.
Presented today for the 100th time.
A nice photograph there of posterity.
The reserve here today, Aberlogan Reba, is awarded the Ronald Sturt Annual Award and the Royal Welsh Agricultural Society Special Rosette for the reserve champion Welsh cob, kindly given by Gwyn, Nicola, David and Sean in memory of Isaac.
The mare's Pennell bred on both sides, so David Harris from the Pennell stud will be very pleased.
So nice when you know they've won, isn't it? So pleased for them. Well, it's been a lovely day here at the Royal Welsh and being able to watch and commentate. And I'm here on my own. Geraint has left. He has left the building. So I shall wish you all a goodbye and hopefully speak to you tomorrow. Bye.
Proud. Felly dyna ni dangoswch eich gwerthfawrogiad a llongyfarchiadau mawr i Gwyn Coch ac o Eira. Many congratulations to our winner of the George Prince of Wales here at the Royal Welsh Show, being awarded today to Gwyn Coch ac o Eira, llongyfarchiadau mawr iawn i Adrian Abbey, Jan ac Alan. For Sir Gabriel.
Well, this year's pig section saw the pig pens at full capacity with 142 heads, competing across 16 different breeds throughout the week, which surpasses last year's total, which was already a 10-year high. We had examples of the Kuni, the Middle Whites, and also the Tamworths, to name a few. This truly highlights the strength and diversity of the pig industry and that of the Royal Welsh Show, which continues to go from strength to strength. On the front of the trailer, we have the Welsh champion, which was this year awarded to Leon Daffodil III. A 6-month-old Gylch bred and exhibited by Merlin James, Leon Heredigion. The Welsh Pig Book was founded in 1922, and as our indigenous breed in Wales, we are very proud of its influence.
Adrian Bowen, Glencoe Stud, George Prince of Wales Cup winners!
Never ever thought that dream come true, but never just thought would come true.
I'm telling you, it's the lucky sock!
It's the lucky sock, yeah.
Just remind us again why you're wearing the sock, Adrian.
Stabbed myself with a pocket knife and went through the tendon, so I shouldn't be here on doctor's orders, but we're here, so it's all forgiven.
And where were you last week?
In the operating theatre in Morriston Hospital.
But now you've made it to Bill, you've won your class, you've gone female champion, you've gone Welsh Section D champion, and for the first time the Glencoe Stud have taken home the George Prince of Wales Cup. Can you even put that into words, Jan?
No, it's just a complete dream come true. Everybody's dream to come true. I'm so happy with it.
Now I know you've been reserving this before, haven't you? But not with a homebred. You've now taken the title with a Glencoe progeny here, and Adrian, your son, leading a Glencoe mare. Abby, how proud are you as a wife?
There are no words. It's just what everyone strives to do and try and achieve. And we knew she was capable. We love her. She's our pride and joy. And yeah, it's fantastic.
And Alan, now you didn't want to come into this interview, you said I'm just the lorry driver. Without the lorry driver, they can't get here. How are you feeling?
I'm really proud. No other words can say it. You know,
I can
read everything we've done with her.
Yeah, you chose the stallion, you chose the mare. I think it was a good choice. What's on the cards now for later?
A few drinks, I think.
Home with these and then a few cold drinks and enjoy the celebration, I think, yeah.
Well, you guys make sure you enjoy that hard. Many congratulations. Llawn gyfarchiadau wrthon ni gyd. A phob lwc.
Thank you very, very much.
Ar gyfer nifer o warthnadoedd fwy moethus a bwytaeth grand. May we thank all the exhibitors for maintaining the quality and also the diversity of breeds within this section, which is vitally important from a heritage and also from a genetic diversity point of view to cope with future challenges. Join us tomorrow morning at 8:30 for the Champion of Champion classes. Diolch yn fawr iawn i chi. I'll hand you over to Iestyn.
Diolch, Kenny. Ladies and gentlemen, it is now my pleasure to introduce some very special young people who represent the future of our sheep industry. Making their way around the main ring are our young sheep handlers who earlier this morning took part in the Young Handlers competition here at the Royal Welsh Show. They have already demonstrated their sportsmanship, confidence and dedication as they proudly presented their sheep before the judges. This year's judge was Eddie Hammer, the President's daughter, together with